Hey, what's going on, you guys? You might have heard about the oil spill that just happened locally up here in Huntington Beach, and well, we thought we could help out, so we're gonna go up there. We're gonna just drop off some of our products to all the volunteer workers that are helping out, see if we can help clean their hands at the end of the day. It's the least we can do, so let's go load up the truck. All right, so we're out here in Huntington Beach. This is just a small collection of some of the stuff they've been picking up here on the shore. So, I mean, there's all kinds of tar, oil, stains, you name it. So it's really disgusting, highly toxic, and not good to see for the environment. So if there's anything we can do to help, we will. So it looks like they were able to get most of the cleanup done late last night into this morning. So there's not much left, which is great to see. Glad they could pick it all up. But still trying to do my part, so we're just walking around giving out soap to all the workers here. I know they've been working hard all night. We just want to stoke them out and get them a good hand cleaner. So you guys have to like sift through? Is it like little chunkies?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it?
That's
it. Wow. Dang, so did you guys work all through the night? Like,
Yeah, go get
12-hour days. At least it's you're at the La Playa. It's a nice day.
The only thing though is we can't get in there.
I know, you don't want to go in there right now. No. Clearly, it's everywhere though. I mean, I found some. This is just from picking up some tar on the beach. So this is what you guys are getting into when they say don't come down to the beach. They do mean it, because this stuff is nasty. It's hard to get off. So stay away from the area until local authorities say it's safe to come. Yeah, so we came down here to Huntington Beach. We're a local company. We just kind of saw the tragedy of the oil spill here. We wanted to help out. And what we do is we make a heavy-duty tank cleaner for automotive mechanics, or if you're working with grease, brine, and oil. We figured, hell, the least we could do is, give some of the workers that have been working all night some of this hand cleaner. They're going to want to go home clean at the end of the day. So that's what we're doing. Just, again, it's our local beach. We want to see it clean. We appreciate everybody coming out here to clean it up. And we're just grateful to see it getting back to normal. We were just out there on the beach checking out the oil spill and picked up a bunch of tar. And dude, it is nasty and it's all over me. I obviously was not going to wash my hands on the beach because I don't want the tar going back into the ocean. So we're going to see how well our hand wipes work at taking this stuff off. See ya. We need a freshie. Cool. Still quite a bit of life left on that one. Honestly, that worked awesome, man. Got all of it off. The worst part is all the sand that's on my hands. But cool. I think all the workers are going to be stoked on this stuff. So let's go give it out.